Hey guys, it's TheWeeEpic here from Media, back again today for another great video. Woo! So guys, today I'm here with my friend TheWeeEpic.
I am friend.
Our motorcycle guy's just gone to open a couple gates, but he'll be back in a minute, so yeah.
Pop it on or
See you
what?
in a minute. Hey guys, so just helping TVBud out with clearing a path for a truck. He's just gone ahead. I am clearing the path out, as you can see. So yeah, it's fun in a way. I kind of wish I could stop the glare on my cam, but anyway, just gonna keep walking and talking. So yeah. So guys, this is where we're heading up. Been walking for ages, about 5 minutes. Oh no, it's not actually that long. That's me. There's the towny folk. It is ages. I think TVBud's just up here. I'm gonna hop on the bike with him and the other guy. You can see.